Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome to our TLE class. It is a great day to learn. I am Teacher Melissa, inviting you to join me as I discuss our first lesson in cookery. Before we start, make sure that you are holding your first TLE cookery learning activity sheet. Bring out a ball pen and a paper which you will use in answering the activities. To our first module in cookery, utilization of appropriate kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to describe the materials and types of tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Second, explain the use of different kitchen tools and equipment. And third, classify the cleaning tools and equipment based on their use. Before we start with our lesson, let us first have a game. The title of this game is Guess the Name of the Tool or Equipment. I will show pictures of the different tools and equipment used in cookery, and I will state their uses. And you are going to identify the name of each tool or equipment. Write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. It is an equipment that automatically cleans kitchen items such as spoon, fork, cups, and plates. If your answer is automatic dishwasher, you are correct. This is the most popular material used for kitchen tools and equipment but considered more expensive. If your answer is stainless steel, you are correct. It is the appropriate measuring tool used for a very small amount like salt. If your answer is measuring spoon, very good. This is also known as vegetable strainer and used for draining pasta. If your answer is colander, you are correct. Our lesson for today is utilization of appropriate kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. In cookery, it is important that you are familiar with all the necessary tools and equipment that you will use in the kitchen. In acquiring kitchen paraphernalia, some factors are to be considered. Price is one of the considerations. It does not necessarily mean expensive kitchen equipment is made of good materials. Hence, material is also a consideration. This module will give you ideas on the different kitchen tools and equipment that is made from different materials. Make sure that your kitchen tools and equipment are durable and will last for a long time. Should you already have a set of kitchen tools and equipment, use them properly and with care. Remember, kitchen efficiency depends on the principles and methods of cooking as well as with the use of appropriate tools and equipment. Kitchen tools and equipment are made from different materials. Aluminum sheet varies in terms of sheet metal gauge. The lighter the gauge, the easier to dent and scratch. Though, as soft metal, it is considered the most popular and the best among kitchen utensils because it gives fair heat distribution, light to use, and less expensive. Cast iron. Most of the cooking vessels are made from this heavy-duty metal type because it has a high heat capacity but is prone to rust for a long use. Ceramics are especially made for baking dishes to be cooked in an oven. This is fragile but has the capacity to absorb heat. It conducts heat slowly but evenly. Glass or heat-proof glass is a very delicate material but presentable on the table. The heat-proof glass is designed specifically for baking but not for surface cooking. Plastic and hard rubber. Kitchen tools that are made from plastic are durable and cheaper than other materials, but do not last long. On the other hand, kitchen paraphernalia that is made of hard rubber is easy to use because of its flexibility. Stainless steel are quite more expensive than aluminum. Nowadays, people prefer to use this type of material for kitchen tools and equipment because it is rust-proof and does not easily wear out compared to aluminum. Teflon is a special material used to coat aluminum and other steel pots and pans to avoid sticking the food on it. Teflon-coated cookware is a bit expensive, yet convenient to use as it is very easy to wash and clean. These are handy tools that a smarter cook needs in the kitchen. Colander can be made of plastic or metal. This is essential for cleaning vegetables, straining pasta, and draining contents from tin can. Cutting board is also known as chopping board. It is made from plastic or wooden materials. This is used for cutting vegetables or meat. It is advised that there would be separate cutting boards for meat, vegetable, fish, and dry goods to avoid food contamination. Double boiler is purposely used for melting items such as butter and chocolate bars when baking. It can also be used for warming the food without overcooking. Sharpening stone is also known as grindstone. It is used to sharpen any metal tool with sharp edges like knives and the like. Slotted turner or flipper are available in wood or metallic materials and used for easy turning of food items while cooking or frying fish and burger patties. Funnel is a hollow cone shaped with a tube designed to catch or to direct liquid in a bottle or jars without spills. Grater is perfect for shredding cheese or vegetables for making salad. Kitchen knives are very useful tools for cutting and slicing meat, vegetables, and other food items. It comes in different types and sizes such as butcher's knife, which is made with a heavy blade and used to cut bones or for sectioning raw meat, poultry, and fish. Paring knife has a short blade with concave hollow ground and used for paring fruits and vegetables. Kitchen shears is a sturdy scissors made with a plastic and rubber-coated handle. This tool is made specifically for breaking down poultry and for other food preparations. Measuring cups are used to measure dry and liquid ingredients accurately. It comes in two types. Dry measuring cups, which are used to measure dry ingredients like flour and sugar. Liquid measuring cups, which are used to measure liquid ingredients like milk, vinegar, and water. Measuring spoons are also known as tablespoon or teaspoon and are designed to measure small amounts of ingredients like salt. Scrapers are made from rubber and are used for blending mixture and scraping food items from the bowl. Tong is made of metal and used to grab and transfer hot and large food items from the hot pot to a plate. Wire whisk is made of metal wire. It is used for mixing and beating eggs. Wooden spoons are used for preparing or cooking. This is best recommended to be used to avoid scratching the Teflon-coated pots or pans. Rotary egg beater is made of stainless steel with a gear driven for ease in rotating to be able to beat eggs or mix pourable ingredients in baking. Pasta server is used when preparing and serving long pasta noodles with ease and without a mess. Equipment is a more complicated tool because they are mostly run or powered by electricity. Technical know-how is important when using this to avoid any form of accident. Here are the different equipment necessary in the kitchen. Refrigerator or freezer. This is one of the most important equipment for food storage. The cold temperature will help prolong shelf life of meat, pork, and vegetables and to avoid spoilage of food like eggs and other easily rotten foodstuff. In acquiring refrigerators or fridges, it depends on the individual choice and preference based on his purpose. Here are the different types of fridges. Top freezer, bottom freezer, side-by-side freezer, French door freezer, microwave and convection oven. Microwaves are designed as food warmer while convection ovens are or popularly known as turbo, which are best suited for broiling poultry or meat which can be served during special occasions. Auxiliary equipment are specialized kitchen equipment that is optional in ordinary kitchens that play a special function in a large-scale food establishments. Among these are food processor, food chopper, meat slicer and grinder, heavy-duty rice cooker, blender, bread toaster, coffee maker, handy mixer, and heavy-duty electric mixer. While kitchen tools and equipment are very important for the preparation of foods, cleaning tools and equipment do the same. All kitchen items should be cleaned and sanitized regularly to prevent the accumulation of dirt, which can be a source of disease-causing microorganisms. The following are some of the appropriate cleaning items and their uses. Scrub brush is usually made with a long handle to protect the hands against grease oil. It has plastic bristles used to clean kitchen paraphernalia using soap and water. Sponge or scrubbing foam is a two-sided cleaning material. A soft sponge is used to clean fine surfaces or delicate parts, while the other part, which has green fiber, is for scrubbing purposes. Steel wool is a metal fiber used to remove dirt that sticks hardly on pots and pans. Avoid using this for Teflon-coated cookware. Plastic scraper is a tool that has a small handle with a plastic blade and can be used plainly in scraping hard dirt. Grease-cutting dish soap is a specially made cleaning material. This has a property that easily removes dirt and grease left in the pan. Dishcloth is a piece of cloth, usually cotton made, as it absorbs moisture easily. This is used to dry dishes and kitchen surfaces. Automatic dishwasher is an electrically operated dishwashing machine that automatically cleans soiled dishes. A technical know-how is needed in operating this to avoid untoward incidents. Class, for the first activity, arrange the jumbled letters to form the correct name of the tool and equipment. I will give you 10 seconds to answer each question. Write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. What's up, class? Let us now check your answers. Number 1, if you answered kitchen shears, you got the correct answer. Number 2, if you answered colander, your answer is correct. Number 3, if you answered double boiler, you got the correct answer. Number 4, if you answered knives, your answer is correct. Number 5, if you answered measuring cups, very good, you got the correct answer. Number 6, if you answered grater, your answer is correct. Number 7, if your answer is rotary egg beater, you got the correct answer. Number 8, if your answer is plastic scraper, very good, you got the correct answer. Number 9, if your answer is wooden spoon, your answer is correct. Number 10, if you answered funnel, you got the correct answer. Congratulations! For the second activity, you are going to choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on a clean sheet of paper. I will give you 30 seconds to answer each question. And remember, write the letter only. Number 1, auxiliary equipment is optional but commonly needed in big food establishments. Which of the following does not belong to the group? A. Handy poultry and roasting tool. B. Food processor. C. Bread toaster. D. Coffee maker. The correct answer is letter A. Number 2, This is made of metal fiber used to remove stubborn dirt that sticks hard on pots and pans. A. Plastic scraper. B. Steel wool. C. Scrub brush. D. Sponge. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. Teflon is a special coating applied to steel pots and pans to blank. What is the purpose of Teflon? A. Make the cookware attractive. B. Protect it against rust. C. Make it durable. D. Avoid food item to stick on it. The correct answer is letter D. Number 4. Annie bought 500 ml cooking oil in a Tetra Pak. To avoid oil spill, she decided to transfer it in an empty bottle. The best way to do is to use a blank. A. Funnel. B. Measuring cup. C. Glass or any cup. D. Scoop. The correct answer is letter A. Funnel. Number 5. Food items are perishable when not stored properly. If you want to put up a carinderia and you want to preserve food items to avoid losses, what equipment should you consider buying? A. Food processor. B. Microwave oven. C. Refrigerators. D. Cookware set. The correct answer is letter C. Did you get the correct answers? Very good! Congratulations for your hard work in answering activities and completing our lesson for today. For your assignment, copy the whole statement in a clean sheet of paper and supply the missing word to complete the statement. Again, this is Teacher Melissa, Grade 7 TLE teacher. See you next time!